Over the course of this school year, we'll be exploring the many ways in which ABC's LCAP positively supports students. Through LCAP Goal 4, ABC is strengthening Tier 1 instruction, expanding inclusive practices, and ensuring students receive the right support at the right time. 50 years ago, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act ensured access to education for all students. Today, in ABC, we go further, ensuring every student experiences belonging, growth, and opportunity.
We promote inclusive practices, differentiated instruction, and evidence-based strategies. This includes universal design for learning to encourage small groups and also working through rotations. We continue to collaborate with our school teams to identify student needs. We review data and also help to implement targeted supports for all teachers.
Students with disabilities are not defined by services. They are writers, thinkers, problem solvers, and leaders in our classrooms. This work is intentional, designed to ensure every student has access to rigorous instruction and meaningful support. In many cases, that support takes the form of adaptive and assistive technology, in which we leverage tools to help students connect directly with the curriculum. We train our special education teachers on the latest technology to personalize and empower our students with disabilities.
One of the things I've really brought up this year is small groups. I really want the students to collaborate with each other and have us teachers there as support. Another thing that we've done is some intentional scaffolding with the students. We really took a step back from the content as a textbook and really looked at the concepts that the students need to know. So we went away from our generic notes to really more guiding notes and graphing organizers.
It is a beautiful thing to see our students being able to interact and engage alongside their peers. We are very fortunate that we have a campus community that is so accommodating and understanding of what we do as a program and what our program goals are for our students. That's the beautiful part of it. We're also intentional about, again, the opportunities that we create for our students. So whether it be our You and Me Club, where we have typically developing peers that are there and ready to work with some of our students in our life program, or our students that are just being involved in classes like leadership or out at PE or in the theater department.
I am been a CAC member for 12 years. So when I first started to go to the LCAP meetings, I went more for my son, who was a freshman, sophomore in high school. It was literally just me and I think one other parent. Now when I go to the LCAP meetings, there's at least like 100 people, which is amazing. And those meetings are something beyond what we could even learn on our own.
Our families are essential partners in shaping programs and supports. Their input is gathered through our IEP process, our LCAP engagement opportunities, our community advisory committees, surveys, after our Understanding IEP workshops. All of this feedback that the parents give us is taken into consideration to inform decision making and also to strengthen our district programs and also our services.
Working with workability, I've been in this position for 3 years now, and we onboard students who have IEPs and help them get work experience and get ready for post-college and their career. So I met Ethan when he was a sophomore. We brought him on board. We placed him at City of Artesia. He works in the Parks and Recs. And there's a lot of staff there, and learning how to communicate and work with a lot of group of other students, workers, and staff in that environment really made him confident and more familiar with, oh, this is something I can do. He will be attending Cerritos College next year. He has reached out to me number of times asking, how do I work here full-time?
50 years after the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, our commitment continues to to ensure every student thrives, every voice matters, and every future is possible. Visit abcusd.us/LCAP to see how ABC is raising up students and unlocking their future.